1/2 a pound 680 grams ground beef 80/20 preferred. 1 cup breadcrumbs. 1 small onion, finely chopped. 2 cloves garlic, minced. 2 eggs. 1/2 cup milk. 2 tablespoons ketchup. 1 tablespoon Worcestershire sauce. 1 teaspoon salt. 1/2 teaspoon black pepper. 1 teaspoon Italian seasoning. 1½ cups shredded mozzarella. 1/2 cup shredded Parmesan optional. 1/4 cup ketchup. 2 tablespoons brown sugar. 1 tablespoon mustard or barbecue sauce optional. Preheat oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Line a baking sheet or loaf pan with foil and lightly grease. In a large bowl, combine ground beef, breadcrumbs, onion, garlic, eggs, milk, ketchup, Worcestershire, salt, pepper, and Italian seasoning. Mix until just combined. Don't overmix. On a large piece of parchment or foil, flatten half the meat mixture into a rectangle about 9 by 5 inches. Spread the shredded cheese evenly over this layer, leaving about 1/2 inch from the edges. Flatten the remaining meat mixture and place it on top. Seal the edges well to keep the cheese inside. Transfer to baking sheet or loaf pan and shape into a smooth loaf. In a small bowl, mix ketchup, brown sugar, and mustard or barbecue sauce. Spread half over the top of the meatloaf. Bake for 45 minutes. Remove, spread remaining glaze on top, and bake for another 15 minutes, or until internal temp reaches 160 degrees Fahrenheit, 71 degrees Celsius. Let the meatloaf rest for 10 minutes before slicing to keep the cheese and juices in. Slice and serve hot.